Okay, next topic is view menu. So grid lines means these are the lines that you are checking here, crisscross line, horizontal and vertical, they are known as grid lines. These are the faint lines that appear around a cell. Okay, they are used to distinguish cell. So this is first cell, it is distinguished with another with this line. So these are the grid lines. Show grid lines on worksheet. If the grid lines are hidden on your worksheet, you can make them appear by following some steps. Okay, so let's see what are the steps to show grid lines or hide grid line. Select one or more worksheets, go on view tab, this is our view tab. Okay, and in this you will find show and hide grid lines. Okay, so see, if I will uncheck it, grid lines are disappeared. If I want grid lines, just click here, they will appear. Like this you can show and hide the grid lines. Okay, is it clear? Just go to view tab, this is view tab. Just click on show button, this is view tab. Okay, on a larger frame, if you want to see, go, this is home tab. Earlier we are working on home and data tab, filter is there, and just go on view tab. In view tab you will find this show option. In show option, just untick this grid lines will disappear. If you click on this, it will appear. If you will click on formula bar will disappear. This is formula bar. If you will click on it, it will appear. Okay, so like this you can show or hide the grid lines. Okay, now next topic is, you can see here images showing grid lines and hiding grid lines. Next is freeze span. Okay, so freeze span means, see here, these are the data. Okay, we are having this data. To keep an area of a worksheet visible while you scroll down to another area, you can lock specific rows and column. That is known as freezing. Freeze means, like, if you have played that ice water game, so in that case, okay, so freeze means we are fixing something. Okay, for example, you might want to keep rows and columns visible while you are scrolling. If you are having large amount of data, suppose I am just copy and pasting this data so that I can have a lot of data in my worksheet. For now I can use this scroll. Okay, so how I can freeze and unfreeze, how can I use the freeze span? Click on the worksheet. You have to lock row, select the row, below the row or rows that you want to keep visible, and scroll. Go on the view tab. In the window group, click on arrow below freeze span. Click freeze spans from pull down menu, and to lock the cell, select the column, right to the column or that you want to keep visible on the view tab, okay, of a window group, and then click on the arrow below freeze span. So where we will find the freeze span, just see here, I am maximizing it. So this is a freeze span. So these are the freeze span options. So let's see what are these options. See here, I'm just shifting this window. So to lock both row and column, click on the cell below the row to the right of the column that you want to keep visible. Go on view tab, this is our view tab. Window group, this is window group. Okay, see here, this is window group. In window group, click on the to lock the freeze span, then on one row or column. To lock both the rows, click on the freeze span. So these are the options for both the things. If you want, then use this top row freeze span. Okay, so like this. So if you will scroll it, see, this is fixed. Okay, so freeze span means we are fixing something. Like this you can move. Okay, see, this particular thing is moving, this is fixed. Okay, so like this you can change the freezing. Unfreeze span, it is not frozen now, you can move it normally. Okay, see here, if you want to freeze the top row, just click on this and see, top rows are fixed. Here the data is much more selected, just unfreeze it, just click here, unfreeze span. Okay, so like this you can freeze or unfreeze the data. Okay, so you have to follow these steps. Okay, now see this freeze span. Okay, view side by side. Window means, like, we can view two windows side by side. This is our window, so see here, views side by side. switch window. Okay, click on window, we can switch the window, we can view the both windows side by side. This is one window, this is another window, so we can move it, so we can see it side by side. These are the side by side. Just a minute, it will take time to fix. Okay, this is side by side. Okay, next is, see, next what we are having is, we can synchronize the scrolling also. To synchronize scrolling of a worksheet, just click this options, synchronize scrolling. If you wish to synchronize, just it is you have to go say side by side, just click on the synchronize scrolling tab. This option let you synchronize both the files together. So see here, you will find these options in this new window, arrange all, okay, title, cascade, etc. So I'm just showing you that thing. Switch window, these synchronize scrolling, for it this you need two or more spreadsheet, then it will synchronize. Let me open one another Excel file, then I will show you that thing. Okay, Excel. Now we are having two windows, it is just opening. Okay, it is taking time. If you will click on this, it will synchronize both the scrollings together. Like one scrolling sheet I am having this, and another also I will keep it here, and then if I will scroll this side, then it will scroll that also. It is not available here because this file is Excel file and this is a PDF file, so it is not applying on this file. It will work on Excel sheet. Okay, let me open one another Excel sheet. Some Excel sheet I'm opening. Just a minute, student. So this is my another Excel spreadsheet, and now see, this is our current spreadsheet. Okay, we are having two spreadsheets, this one and this one. Now see here, view side by side, this is side by side view, this is scrolling. Okay, so see, both the things are appearing here. If I am scrolling this, it will scroll this also. Okay, synchronization. So side by side you can view like this, scroll synchronization, it will scroll this also. If I will click on this side, just say, and then synchronize scrolling. Now see, it will synchronize scrolling, both the files are scrolling together. So like this, just practice it. If you are facing any problem, ask me. That's all for today's class, students. Thank you so much.